Percentiles in machine learning. This is a very important statistics that we frequently use in any machine learning algorithm, or you can say machine learning process or model. So let's try to understand this particular statistics. So for that, we have to import numpy, because under numpy, we have a function percentile, which is exactly used for this calculation of this particular statistic percentile. Now, percentiles are used in statistics to give you a number that describes the value that a given percent of the values are lower than. So what it exactly means that you have been given an array of data, or you can say a data set. So percentile will give you that number which describes the value that a given percentage, say X, Y, whatever, given percentage of the values of the data set are lower than. Okay. So let me take this example. What is the weight that 90% of the people are less than? So we mean to calculate that weight that 90% of the given data set, 90% of the people of the given data set are less than. Now, for that, I'm showing you the code. Import numpy weight. Under weight, we are giving these values, means different persons having these different weights, 85, 78, 80, 78. So these are the different values. Now, X is assigned numpy.percentile weight 90. So we need to find out that particular weight that 90% of these values means all these values, okay, all these values are less than. Clear? So are less than. So we have to calculate that. So basically, what we are doing, we are passing that weight means these values, and 90, that is the percentile. So 90% percentile, okay, and print X. So let me show you the practical implementation in Python. For that, I'm opening Spider. See? Right? So you can see this particular weight we are considering. You can take a screenshot. Now numpy.percentile weight, I'm passing this weight. These are the data, and then 90%. Okay. So let's run this file. What you have got 84.2. What exactly 84.2 means? It means that 90% of this given data are actually less than this particular weight, 84.2. Clear? Suppose I want to change it, say 100%. I want to know that number that 100 percentile of these values are less than. Less than. Remember, less than I'm saying, not less than equal to. So, see, 88. So, among this value, 88 you will find here, 88. So 100 percentile are less than, because equal to is not considered. Right? Okay. Now I have value 10. Okay. So weight 10. So let me see, check this 59.8. Right. 10% of people are less than this 59.8. So in this way, you can calculate that value. That value means the percentile value, which will give you exactly what? A number that describes a value that a given percent of the values are lower than. So I hope the concept as well as the practical is clear to you. Well, with this, I'm signing out. Thank you very much.